Understanding the collision effect in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, the collision effect. This term might sound a bit scientific, but it's actually a very interesting concept in everyday language and communication. Let's dive in and discover what it means and how it can be applied. The term collision effect isn't a commonly used phrase in everyday English. It's more of a metaphorical expression. The word collision usually refers to two objects hitting each other. So, when we talk about a collision effect in communication, we're referring to a situation where two ideas, opinions, or even cultural perspectives collide or clash with each other. This can happen in conversations, debates, or even in the way we interpret certain situations. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. Imagine a discussion where two people have completely opposite opinions. Their viewpoints collide, creating a situation where they must either find common ground or agree to disagree. Another example could be when someone from a different cultural background interprets a gesture or a comment differently than intended, leading to a misunderstanding or a collision of interpretations. Context is key in understanding the collision effect. The meaning and impact of this effect can change depending on the situation. In a business meeting, a collision of ideas might lead to a creative solution. In a social setting, it might cause an awkward misunderstanding. Being aware of the context helps in navigating through these collisions more effectively. How do we deal with this effect? The key is communication and empathy. Understanding that everyone has different perspectives and being open to listening can help mitigate the negative aspects of these collisions. It's also important to express your own views clearly and respectfully, ensuring that your intentions are understood. I hope this video has helped clarify what we mean by the collision effect in communication. Remember, collisions of ideas and perspectives are natural, but how we handle them makes all the difference. Keep practicing your English and stay curious about the nuances of language and communication. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.